regional trains vlogs. I'm here at Tuggerah. Oh my goodness. We have an Oscar departing platform 2 for a Wyong service. Next station will be Wyong.
H48!
Yes, thanks Glenn. We're just going to go over there to get some food, so we will catch you all later. Okay, back in business. We have an Oscar approaching platform 2. The set is H31. It is a Wyong service. Oscar set H31, now departing Wyong service. This train will stop at Wyong only. We have the Grafton XPT passing platform number 2.
We have the Grafton XPT!
XP 2007 leading. Trailing motor XP 2002. Next station will be Wyong, followed by Fassifern. Guys, time for me to wrap up the vlog. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to request the station for me to film at. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you all for watching again, and I'll see you all next time.